Cardano is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that truly has a current worth of $0.292030 and a market capitalization of $10,206,314,780 in an unobtrusive manner. Digital currencies really have long passed the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, or so they thought. These days, it's a resource class that especially is significantly directed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate. Some huge speculation banks in any event generally secure Cardano and other cryptographic forms of money all at once to safeguard their resources under administration. Against the dashing expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ADA market that generally depend on the readings of our special crypto unpredictability file that truly assists us with measuring the market feeling and, in a real sense, expect the heading where the market plans to, all things considered, go. At this point, the cost of Cardano by and large is $0.292030, while the coin right now in every way that really matters ends up at 8th spot in the generally speaking fundamentally positioning in a significant manner. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's genuinely present value that really is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that for the most part is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients in every practical sense get the most applicable information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, which by and large is very critical. It's likewise vital to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing. On July 1st, the cost of Cardano was at $0.287084 toward the finish of the exchanging timeframe, during which the cost change added up to 0.20%. 7 days prior, on June 25th, ADA was esteemed at $0.290004, which most certainly intends that from that point forward, the cost has commonly changed by 0% in a huge manner. A month prior, on June 2nd, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.365011. Thusly, the coin has made a 19.99% move to sort of arrive at its current standings. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main variable that we truly consider while making the cost forecast, which is genuinely critical. It's likewise vital to especially watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have an unmistakable perspective on where the market explicitly is going. The examination of market capitalization really conveys fundamentally equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the general position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which is very huge. Changes in market capitalization, positive or in every practical sense, negative sort of, are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's sort of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and long-haul viewpoints. This especially specific measurement generally is likewise used to check the strength of Cardano, comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, which is genuinely huge. To decide the really current market capitalization of ADA, we essentially increase the circling supply, the boundary that will be made sense of later, by the especially present worth of the digital money under survey. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano remains at $10,206,314,780, which shapes the reason for its present fundamentally positioning that sort of was referenced before, or so the especially thought. Yesterday, on July 1st, ADA had a market capitalization of $10,032,360,903. Keep going week. On June 25th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $10,130,452,139. A month prior, on June 2nd, the market worth of Cardano explicitly was surveyed to be $12,732,935,283 in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, while the market capitalization for the most part offers a suitable sign of the fame and the predominance of Cardano, it doesn't generally connect with the created exchanging volume inside a similar market, which is likewise consistently calculated in while making the comprehensive cost expectation. In contrast to that of stocks, the capitalization of digital currencies, including that of ADA, could be contorted by the sporadically big number of exchanges that could happen on the organization for various reasons, including hacking endeavors. A critical spike in such exchanges frequently applies an immediate effect on the cost of the hidden computerized resource and could bring about an unwarranted increment of market capitalization that gives financial backers who, in a real sense, are checking the market an off-base thought regarding the certified worth of the digital money in an unpretentious manner. That is the reason it's of fundamentally massive significance to explicitly focus on past information and cease from engaging with the market that features the dashing business sector capitalization, as they generally are frequently inclined to controls that could truly negatively affect the presentation of one's portfolio. Complete stock considers the quantity of coins that have proactively been created by different means, for example through mining. These digital currencies can essentially be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers. This measurement likewise calculates the coins that in a real sense have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which essentially is applied to control the expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, the genuinely all-out supply of Cardano truly is laid out at 35,936,967,442 ADA. Finally, the circling supply is utilized to work out the market capitalization and evaluate the coins genuinely current remaining in the positions. It signifies the especially by and large measure of ADA that is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that for the most part are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly in every practical sense, put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million, fundamentally, are the most appropriate for genuinely long-haul venture, since they generally essentially prone to sort of value and esteem over a drawn-out time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, Cardano has a circling supply of 34,949,540,148 coins. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the place of $191,322,792, which is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on July 1st, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $517,630,166. 7 days prior, on June 25, how much ADA that generally was traded between market members most certainly was assessed at $208,314,138 in an unpretentious manner. Presently comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the embodiment of the crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost forecast model that permits us to predict the way that Cardano will follow over the by and large next 1 to 5 years in a very significant manner. CVIX is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists